Hey everyone, the goal here is to essentially just understand percentages. Easy frequency tables with R Studio. Now I'm trying to find my Penguin dataset. Let's get rid of the Penguin dataset and put it up again so you can see. Now, if you've been following along with me, you know how to get packages in and out of R. So the goal here is to install packages. I already have it, so I'm not going to do it again. But this is Palmer Penguins. So then you would just hit the button and then the package installs, sorry. And then to get it out, you go to the library. Watch this, Palmer should come up and it's right there. Now, I already did all this stuff, but the Palmer Penguins library is interesting because then it has different, now that's a capital V, Penguins. Look at that, Palmer Penguins. We view it, it's up there, now we have to attach it. Now, a lot of people might ask, why are we doing penguins? This could be anything. That's irrelevant. We attach it, it's there, there's a couple things missing, no big deal. Species, there's 3 species, Adelaide, Gento, and then chinstrap. It's kind of interesting because this is exactly what, say, bio people do if they want to study animals, is the build length, the build depth, etc., flipper length, body mass, etc. Female, you could differentiate them female, male, etc. But all right now is I want is a frequency table. Now, I put it up here just so you people could get it. It's easy. In the dplyr package, again, if you look, dplyr, that's a package you get out with the same tools. If you've been following me around, first you install it with quotes and then you get it out of the library, and then every time you close R, you get it out of the library again. But this is just a simple frequency table. This just happens to be penguins. This could be something in engineering, business, biotech, etc. So all I want to know in the frequency table is what is the percentage in this huge data set. This is a big data set, 344 penguins. You think they go all the way somewhere to Happy Feet and they get them? They're probably in a zoo or something. I don't know, but I just want to know what's the percentage of these species. So this is all you do. You call it something. Watch this. I'm going to call it percentage of penguins. Now, penguin species. So you understand you have to have these connected for the name. But as when we do the bar graphs, it's going to be different. But this is interesting because it's so easy. I put it up here so you can see easy. You just do the data set. Now, this might be a different, you're piping in. If you hit Control-Shift-M, it'll up. There it goes, but it's supposed to be down here. Control-Shift-M, it'll pipe it into this group by species. That's what we're grouping them by. So it's pretty, see dplyr, that's the package. So we're basically doing species. We're going to differentiate this by species. And then we're going to just pipe it in. This is easier than Excel, SPSS, Theater, etc., and it's free. So, and then you pipe it into, we want to summarize percentage, right? The number, that's the n row penguins times 100. So we're not going to get into the math now, but summarize, here it is, dplyr, and then you just do percent. Now I could easily just copy and paste this, but I just want you to see number, just whatever it is, so that's it, and then you divide it with the n row, that's the rows, and then what's this data set? Penguins. And then you times it outside by 100. Let's see if we can do it, make sure it's correct. The code seems correct. So 100. Now, what did we call it? This is the name, and I assigned it. This could also be equals. So I'm calling it percentage of penguins. So you could see it right there. So all I really have to do is write it out, percentage, if it worked. And it did. Look at it. It's its own data set. And now you have a quick frequency tables. The species is Adelie, that's 44.2% of the population in this. Chinstrap, that's 19.8, and Gento, 36. I'm assuming that it equals 100. So, and then if you want to view it like we just did before, you can view it with the percentage. Just a few letters up there, pops up, see? Boom, boom, and here it is, species, and that's the percentage. That's just a frequency table. You can also just make regular tables. Watch this, table, right? And I want to know the exact number of Adelie chinstrap gentoo. You could just do species. Let's see if that works without the... It's species. There's another species up there with a capital S. That's why you gotta make sure you got the right thing. So we have 152, 68, 124. That's why the Adelie is 44%, the Gento is 36%, and 68 is 19%. So this is so the table gives us the exact number, and this other code up here gives us the percentage of all the species that each one represents. Frequency tables. Take care, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed the show with the penguins, just like Happy Feet. Maybe we can watch that.